Hi everyone, welcome to Mike and Lera food channel. Hope guys you are having a nice day. Today we are having in our menu very delicious and simple dessert. It's pancakes for those who are fasting. No eggs, no milk, and very delicious. And I promise you will love it. I hope guys you are hungry. Let's start. Okay. Really, no eggs, no milk. So nice, really, look. Oats flour, so delicious. I just want to try like this. So delicious. You can have it with honey, condensed milk, any kind of jam. I want with Господи, что это? Today I'm having this with cherry jam and with honey, and also I love it so much. It's date syrup, healthy. Wait, too much. Okay. So nice. And of course you can have it with a cup of tea. Cheers guys. Let's try with cherry jam. I so love it. It's with pieces of cherry. So nice guys. You know, it's really very nice options for those who are fasting. Just like this, simple. Only 3 ingredients. And the main thing that I love here, it's oats flour. This is the healthy part. Wait. This is the healthiest part. Very delicious guys. I didn't try still with honey, but now one moment. Let's try one with honey, okay? So delicious, really. Also, like this. Отличный вариант. Мне очень нравится. Я готовлю уже не первый раз, так скажем. Несколько раз готовила. Обалденные. Для поста. Вот сейчас пост идет. Можно также побаловать себя замечательным десертом. Круто, очень вкусно, ребят, очень вкусно. Но, наверное, все-таки больше всего мне нравится с финиковым сиропом. So nice flavor always, they are like together. The amazing couple. The syrup and banana pancake. And of course it's fast. Delicious. Really, you have to try it. Very tasty. Delicious. I will eat another one. I will not finish this whole plate, of course. Today I'm eating without my husband. Okay, let's try another one bite with cherry jam. Thank you for watching guys, and I hope you like this one. Try to cook this. It's very delicious guys. I promise you will love it. Again, I'm telling you. Don't forget like, share and subscribe and comment. And see you next time. Bye!